Hey guys, welcome to this game that I have been playing for a little while. I have been playing it for a little bit. It's a fun game. Addicting. I mean, it's addicting. And I have noticed it does lag a bit when I turn on the screen recorder, but I don't care. I don't know if that's the quality that it's set at, or it's just how it is. Uh, I have been playing this game for about a month. And it is pretty fun. Other than some, random glitches, but I don't really care. And there has been some glitches where I just straight up fall through the map. Try to do a race, and then you sometimes spawn through the map. But this isn't an online game, if you guys are wondering. It's like a random, you can do, go around, do whatever the heck you want, do some of these little off-road races, and it is an addictive game, I'll tell you that. Yeah, I almost forgot to ask. And then do you want me to make more videos on this game? Post in the comments if you do, or not. Or do you, whatever. Subscribe if you want to, and post in the comments, what is your favorite part of the day? I hope by the end of this week to hit 10 subs. But I don't know, I'm at 6 right now. I've started this channel about a month ago, so it's an okay amount for how long I've been how long I've been making videos. And my brother's in his room right now playing Black Ops 2 PlayStation 3 edition. I also got a PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3. Me and him play together sometimes. I tried to set up a live stream a few days ago, but my internet wasn't fast enough. So I can't do any live streams like that or anything like that. So yeah, that's a bummer. See, and this game, like I said before, addicting. It's a giant. You also got like three other maps, three other worlds, and they're all pretty big. And this is on the edge here. I'll show you. On the northern edge of the map, I guess. But there are some things I wish they could add to this, like have like full customization and stuff like that. But you know, I mean, I do like the game. It for right now. I mean, it is a pretty good game. I mean, if you want to check this game out for yourself, and you might as well just go ahead and uh, check it out. So, and it is free to download, so that's one good thing. And you can do a lot to the car or truck. I mean, this game is addicting. I already said that, so what the heck am I saying? It, it is, it's a fun game to play. But, you know, they could work on it a little bit. You know. Maybe add like a visual damage option, and you know, a whole bunch of other stuff that I might include in the next video. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. Post in the comments if you want to see more. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.